I'm here with Jason Yamamoto, the Manager of Finance Systems at MGM Resorts. Jason, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thanks so much for spending the time with us.
No problem. Glad to be here.
So you guys are doing something. It's not unusual, but you're doing robots as a service at MGM Resorts, right?
Right.
Yeah. Tell me about that experience and why did you pick that over doing the robots on premise?
Right. Our company has never done robotics before, and so we wanted to do it right from the very beginning. Yeah. And so we selected using robotics as a service because we could utilize their experience, expertise, and their team of resources to really help us scale our processes as we move forward.
So were there any unique sort of challenges associated with that? I mean, what sort of problems did you encounter in doing that?
So no problems using robotics as a service. The problems that we did have was implementing virtual machines. So our IT decided to implement virtual machines in a cloud environment, and building this infrastructure took a really long time for them to implement. And so that was our main struggle in implementing our proof of concept.
It's just waiting for IT to create the machines for you.
Right, but as far as utilizing robotics as a service where they provide the business analysis to document our process, the developer, and also the production support, we were rolling processes out within a week or two. And
that's amazing.
Right. And so we were able to move real quickly by being able to utilize their resources.
Yeah.
And we were able to keep our team small, allowing us to just build the pipeline and then help manage the implementation process with them to help roll out the process.
Were there, what sort of benefits are you realizing from doing that?
The ability to scale, right, through robotics as a service is they can scale their people as quick as we want or as slow as we want, and we don't have to hire any extra people.
So what are your future plans with respect to that?
So the future plans is really to scale out robotics enterprise-wide, right? We just finished our proof of concept, and we would really like to roll this out enterprise-wide. Utilizing robotics as a service would be one way to do it. For our smaller, tinier processes, we are looking into maybe going and getting some like a Blue Prism or Automation Anywhere, something like that, or we could build it ourselves in-house. That only would take 30 seconds for the process to complete. And then they also have some processes, some robotic processes that do a lot of reconciliation type work.
Preparing all the landscape for the human to do the smart work.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
Well, Jason, thanks so much for stopping by. It's been a great conversation. I really appreciate it.